real world threats, modern attack patterns, and everyday use on normal devices. And if you're new here, this is Safety Detectives, where we test security tools the way that people actually use them, not just how they appear on paper. And if that's useful to you, subscribing helps you keep up when these tools change, because they do. Modern AI-driven malware can slightly change its code every time it moves to a new device, which makes old detection methods pretty much useless. So instead of only checking what a file looks like, modern antivirus watches what it does, like trying to access your passwords, change system settings, or connect to suspicious servers. Not everyone wants to pay for security, and that's totally fair. Lucky for you, Panda Dome Free is one of the few free antiviruses that still feels usable. In our testing, its scanner detected around 95% of malware, and its real-time protection stopped all active threats that we introduced, which is pretty solid. It stays lightweight because most of the analysis happens in the cloud, so it's a good fit for older or low-powered machines. Full scans do run a bit slower, and you'll see more false positives compared to something like Norton or Bitdefender, but for basic coverage, it holds up really well. What really makes Panda different is the USB rescue kit. If a computer is already infected and barely usable, then you can create a bootable USB on another device and clean the system from outside Windows. It's the kind of recovery tool that most people don't even think about until they really need it. All of that is great, just remember it is free, and that means upgrade prompts, fewer privacy tools, and no identity protection or full VPN coverage. This is baseline protection, not a complete security suite. But if spending money isn't an option right now, then Panda Dome Free works as a solid backup plan, but it's not meant to replace a full-featured antivirus long-term. And if you're on Windows 11 specifically, we've already done a deep dive into why some setups look protected but really aren't. That context helps a lot here, especially with how modern threats actually get through. Today, the real risk is assuming that older protection still keeps up with modern-day AI malware. As we talked about, cyber threats evolve fast, and so do the discounts, so check out the links down in the description for the latest exclusive offers on all of these top picks. But that's all for this video. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.